Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is AB plus A. This is equal to 32. Let's call this equation 1. AB plus B, this is equal to 35. Let's call this equation 2, such that A is not equal to 0 and B is not equal to 0. So what is the value of A and what is the value of B? Let's prevent the solution from here. So we have that the first step here is to subtract equation 1 with equation 2. Let's subtract equation 1 minus equation 2. So this implies here we have AB plus A subtract AB plus B. This is equal to 32 minus 35. The next step from here, we have AB plus A, then subtract here, AB, then minus times plus B. This becomes minus B. This is equal to 32 minus 35. This is equal to minus 3. The next step is that AB and AB here simplifies, so that we have A minus B. This is equal to minus 3. So let's make A to be the subject of the formula. In this case, we have A is equal to B minus 3. Let's call this equation 3. Now, let's substitute equation 3 into equation 1. Remember, equation 1 is AB plus A. This is equal to 32. So let's substitute A from here. So we have B times B minus 3 plus A, which is B minus 3. This is equal to 32. So we have B times B. This is B squared. B times minus 3. This is minus 3B plus B minus 3. This is equal to 32. The next step from here, we have B squared. We have B squared minus 3B plus B. This is minus 2B. Then minus 3. This is equal to 32. So from here, let's take that 2 on the left hand side, so that we have B squared minus 2B minus 3 minus 32. This is equal to 0. The next step is that we have B squared minus 2B minus 35. This is equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation whereby we have that A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 2, and C is equal to negative 35. Now, the next step from here, to solve for B1, B2, we apply the quadratic formula, that is minus B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4 times A times C, everything here divided by 2 times A. Let's substitute for the values of A, B, and C from here, so that now here we have minus 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 2 squared minus 4 times A, which is 1, then times C, which is minus 35. Everything here divided by 2 times 1. The next step from here, we have minus times minus 2. This is 2 plus or minus the square root of minus 2 squared. This is equal to 4. Then minus 4 times minus 35. This is plus 35 times 4 from here. This is 20, 0 carry 2, then 4 times 3, 12 plus 2, this is 140. So we have 140 here. Everything here divided by 2. So now here we have 2 plus or minus the square root of 144. Everything here divided by 2. So this implies that here we have 2 plus or minus the square root of 144. This is equal to 12. Everything here divided by 2. So this implies that B1 is equal to 2 plus 12, everything here divided by 2. So this implies that here 2 plus 12, this is 14 divided by 2. So that now here we have that B1 is equal to 7. Now we have that B2 from here. This is the same thing as 2 minus 12 over 2. So this is the same thing as minus 10 over 2. So that now we have that B2 is equal to minus 5. We have that B1, comma B2, this is equal to 7 and negative 5. Now let's solve for the corresponding values of A1 and B1. Now if you recall, from equation 3, we have that A is equal to B minus 3. Okay, as you can see here, we have that A is equal to B minus 3, equation 3. So substituting B1 here, we have that A1 is equal to B1, which is equal to 7 minus 3. So this is equal to 4. So this implies that the first set of solution, A1, B1, this is equal to 4, 7. This is the first set of solution that we have. Now, given B2 is equal to minus 5, let's solve for A2. As far as A2 is equal to B2 minus 3. So this is the same thing as B2 is minus 5 minus 3. So this is equal to minus 8. Therefore, A2, B2, this is equal to negative 8, negative 5. Now, we have two sets of solutions here. We have that A1, B1, this is equal to 4, 7. And A2, B2, these are the two sets of solutions that we have. The second step here is to verify. Let's verify from here. Now, if you recall, we have that AB plus A, this is supposed to give us a value of that 2. Because this is equation 1. Equation B, we have AB plus B. This is supposed to give us a value of 35. This is equation 2. Now, let's substitute A1, B1, which is 4, 7, into equation 1. So this implies that we have 4 times 7 plus A, which is actually equal to 4. They should give us a value of 32. So 7 times 4, this is 28, plus 4. This is supposed to give us a value of 32. So 28 plus 4, this is equal to 32, which is equal to 32. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this proves that A1, B1 satisfies the equation. So let's check for A2, B2 from here. We have A2, B2. This is minus 8, minus 5. Now, if you recall from equation 2, which is actually AB plus B, this is supposed to give us a value of 35. Let's substitute the value of A and B so that we have minus 8 times minus 5, then plus minus 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 35. So minus 8 times minus 5, this is 40. Then plus times minus 5 here, this becomes minus 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 35. And this implies that 40 minus 5, this is equal to 35, which is equal to 35. And therefore, the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that A2, B2 satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video.